I'm Senior Machinery Editor at Glacier Farm Media, Scott Garvey. And I'm here in this field near Milton, Saskatchewan to see something I don't think anyone's seen in a couple of decades. A Roto Thresh Combine harvesting grain.
Well, we started back in a couple years ago in December, between Christmas and New Year's, I guess. And I was looking on the internet, and the Lloyd family has come up pretty prominent in Darcy. So we took a drive down there and actually met John Lloyd, and he told us where they were at.
Were you specifically looking for a Roto Thresh?
Yeah, we wanted something a little different. We learned about them a little bit and figured we'd at least have a look at them.
So you were looking for a restoration project?
Yeah, something odd and unusual.
Yeah. So what kind of shape was it in?
Tin-wise, it was good. Engine was seized. Everything was there. So we thought we could handle it.
But it took some work to get the engine going, eh?
Yeah, it was a little challenging. We had to, we tried every concoction known to man to get it unstuck, but ended up taking the heads off and building the tool to put on the end of the crank, and we finally got it busted loose.
It must have been hard even to access the crank in there the way that...
The way the drive is, it's a little odd, but we got it figured out. There were some bearings that changed.
Some belts. I guess the straw spreaders were broke. We had just got the new shaft and drive on one side. Just small stuff like that. And hydraulic hoses. We had to replace some small hydraulic lines.
How long did it take to get it into this condition?
Year and a half.
A year and a half, I guess, all total. Yeah.
We said we weren't going to paint it until it worked, but
we went ahead and painted.
How many gallons of paint did it take?
There is 2 gallons of red and 2 gallons of white on it.
Pickup header.
Yeah, had a pickup header. It was in pretty rough shape, but we also had an option to get a pickup header off the other combine. We got a parts combine as well. So we wanted a straight cut. So we checked, and they used Massey headers. They didn't have their own, so that's how we got a hold of this one.
We're gonna run her.
We're gonna run it.
This harvest, we're gonna run it.
Arnold and Kelvin, you guys have now put the Roto Thresh in the field for a couple of hours. That makes you very unique people in the world. The only ones to have run one of these in a very long time. What are your thoughts actually operating it?
Well, it's comfortable as far as
If you don't mind high temperatures.
as far as seat-wise, it's all right.
Yeah.
It's loud and hot.
Yeah, which wasn't unusual for that
Not
decade.
for that year of.
No, I mean, modern cabs were just sort of coming on the scene around that time, right? But as far as the machine itself, how did it function? What were your...
It seems to thresh really good. It's got lots of power. The motor drives it well.
Yeah.
Sample was clean.
Yeah,
very
sample's
clean.
actually pretty good.
Yeah. Did it take much figuring to get the sieves and everything set?
No, we didn't change much from what Mervyn had it at.
Okay.
Pretty basic.
We screwed around a little bit with that aspirator door, and it probably wound up right back where it was,
Where he had it originally.
before, yeah.
So a little hiccup off the start with the electric clutch, just having a wiring problem. Fairly easy fix.
Yeah, we kind of hot wired it a little bit.
Just to get her going. Yeah. So what are your plans? Like,
Well,
going to do more acres?
Well, it's-
Every year.
as far as this combine is concerned, you got to work, but it's well worth it. Just see
Yeah.
the operation.
Any last thoughts on the Roto Thresh? Would you ever do another one?
I don't think we need to.
I know.
I think as long as we can keep this one in operation, I
Yeah.
think we keep.
A friend of ours found number 49.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, the second last one made.
Is it rougher than this?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's in the museum in Wadena,
Oh, okay.
sitting beside the Prairie Bell.
And Calvin, you're wearing a very unique piece of clothing here.
Yeah, it's
Tell
for
me
sale
about
at the gift shop in the corner of the field.
You guys are look like you're proud of it, and so you should be. Well done, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
And thanks for inviting us out today. We appreciate it.
Well, we appreciate you coming.